How to pay with gift card McDonald's app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To pay with a gift card in the McDonald's application, firstly you'll be needing the McDonald's app in your mobile device. If you are an Android user, it is easily available in your Google Play Store, or if you are an iOS user, check out your App Store. Now, first step is to head over and sign in into your McDonald's account. After which, you need to go ahead and select on the meal item that you wish to order up. Now, once you are ordering up, you need to make sure to go to the payment section. In here, when you are tapping on your payment section, at the bottom you will see a field where it is written add a gift card or add a promo code. In the available dialog box, go ahead and enter the PIN code or the digit code that is available in your gift card. By this way, you will also receive substantial discount in your total McDonald's meal. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.